Hello and welcome to the viewers. So this is Nabil here from Testiva, and our topic of discussion for today is what exactly the roadmap you should follow for the automation learning in 2026. If you are a beginner and trying to learn automations in 2026, so this video is for you. In this video, we will be covering the exactly practical roadmap, not just the roadmap, but also the learning resources and free and paid resources as well that from where you can learn the automation and also where you can practice the automation on demo sites that will be provided after the video in the description. So in this video we will be discussing the prerequisites, foundations, and advanced level of playwright automation. Within that we will also touch the basics of mobile automation as well. The last of every phase we will be giving you our project to do, that will be the practical work, and that will be deliverable after the phase study. What will be the outcome that after this roadmap, if you completely follow this, in the end you will be able to deliver the industry level projects as an automation engineer, scalable web automation projects, and also with mobile automation basics, and integrating them with CI/CD pipelines and AI assisted automations. For if you have no foundation in the programming fundamentals, and then if you want to use the AI and MCP agents for your automation, we have divided this in three module, that web automation, mobile automation basics, and AI and MCP. In the prerequisites, foundations, before automation we will make sure that the person who follows the roadmap, he should have these basic skills for the learning of automation, like STLC, software testing, and defect test cases, and Jira basics. So these are few things that a person should know before following the roadmap. Here is our phase one, JavaScript for automation. So we will be following the JavaScript. You can choose the other programming languages if you want to go with the Python and or any other programming language, so you can replace with that. Concept will be the same: variable data types, async await, that is very much concerned concept in the playwright automations, loops, conditions, functions. So these are the list of the programming fundamentals or programming concepts that will be required for the automation, and in the end we will be delivering a project using these concepts. In phase 2, we will be moving towards the playwright fundamentals. We will be installing and setting up the project, browser context. These are the concepts that are required to start your automation journey and to write your first test case. So these are the few fundamentals or basics that you will be learning in the phase 1. Phase 3 is about the locator mastery and web elements. So if you are trying to locate the elements in your real-time web app, you will be locating them by different type of locators. So locator mastery is required when you have different type of locators and different type of web apps that are built on different stacks like mun stack or any other stack. So if they are built on different stacks, so their type of locators will be different, and so you have to handle them according to their stack and their vulnerability. So these are the concepts that we will be following in the locator mastery and web elements. Phase 4 will be the test design and execution. We will be designing the test using the hooks and test groups and fixtures convenience, that how we want to execute the test cases in a parallel fashion or non-parallel fashion. Is the test cases data driven or not? Phase 5 is all about the page object model. That is very much important topic in automation, and we will be building the page object model files that we can use in our test. If we have different tabs, uh, different roles, and different functions, so we'll be creating the page object model files for them differently and calling them in our test cases to execute there. So in the process we will be creating the reusable components, like if we have search field, search by phone number, or have in different 10 tabs, so we will not be creating the 10 test cases in 10 different files. We will create them once and call them in all the test cases. So there is a utility of reusable components. Then we have page classes setup, sharing object across tests, locator and page elements, and POM best practices and common mistakes to avoid. And in the end, we will be delivering a maintainable playwright test suite following the page object model structure, and we will create reusable component in that. Phase 6, we have a real world project that is full e-commerce website automation. In this, we will be automating the full flow starting from the login. In the end, we will deliver a full test automation framework for the real e-commerce website. In phase 7, we will be moving towards the advanced playwright. In advanced playwright, we have inclusion of API testing along with the UI testing, response validations, API testing, API mocking. So what are the network interception, multiple tabs handling, shadow DOM handling. Our web app have a file upload, download, then we will be dealing that in the advanced playwright. And most important, cross browser testing, and that we will be using the different browser like Chromium, Firefox, and other for the testing of same test case. Phase 8 is a framework CI/CD that a reporting option. We have Allure reports, HTML reports, and we will be notifying the test report via email, via message in the Slack channel, or in anywhere you want to drop your message or after the successful test along with the HTML report or Allure report which you are selecting. In the phase 9, we will be using the AI assistance for our automation at MCP. So this is the phase where if we don't have any programming background, we don't have programming skills, then we can continue to playwright automation using the MCP and AI tools, where we will be integrating the API key of any LLM that we have considered. In phase 10, we will be covering the mobile automation basics. If you have already covered the playwright web automation, so this is very easy for you to jump to mobile automations if you will be using the Appium, so it would be more easy. So in this we will be covering the just basics, not the advanced Appium concepts or mobile automation. We will be learning the native hybrid web mobile test types, what are the server, Appium server, client, and capabilities, and then emulator and the real device, how we test that, gesture and mobile applications. Like in mobile actions, we have tap, swap, scroll, and next we have POM for mobile. As we had POM structure for web automation, we have something for mobile as well. So that's all that for today. So if you have any other question related to the mobile app automations, web automation, you want us to cover that in our next video, you can drop that in the comment section. If you have any question related to the QA automation, you can ask freely in the comment section.